I'm excited to show you the new Google Drive for Zoho CRM extension. It allows you to link files in Google Drive to a lead or a contact so that you can have as many files as you want and you can organize them the way that you want. Let me show you how to set it up. After you set up, you'll get this pop-up here. You'll click Authorize. That will then prompt you to use a Google account, where you'll need to grant permissions to edit, create, and delete files in your Google Drive account. Note that it's not all files, it's just the files that are created within the app. So you can rest secure that any other files that you have in your Google Drive are safe and won't be touched by this extension. After you've done that, we can then try it out by opening a lead. We go down to Google Drive Files. As it's the first time, we'll have to choose where we're going to store our Zoho CRM files. I'm going to create a new folder. This is going to be the root directory, and all files for a lead, they'll be in folders underneath that root directory. Now we can upload a new file. It'll show us a nice preview. We can create a folder. Can drag the files into that folder. And then if I click inside it, I'm able to see the files in there. I can also delete files if I decide I don't want them anymore. I can even delete a folder as well. The other thing I can do, if I already have some attachments on this particular record, what I can do is I can synchronize them. So if I, for example, add this file here, I can then go back and I can synchronize them to Google Drive. Worked like a charm. Then I could organize them into folders if I wanted to. And now if we have a look at what it looks like in Google Drive itself, we'll jump in here and you can see we've got this file here that we uploaded, and we can see here it's created this root directory Zoho CRM files, then it's got leads and then the record ID. So it means that it'd be a bit hard to figure out what this record ID pertains to, but you can always go back and look for the particular file. And then you'll know that, for example, this record ID here for this lead, that's where it gets stored. I hope that this will help you to be able to store files in your existing Google Drive system. You'll be able to organize them in a way that you want, synchronize your existing attachments, and be freed from the attachment limit in Zoho CRM, because it can get quite expensive to store a lot of attachments within the CRM. There is the Work Drive extension, but a lot of people prefer Google Drive. And I think we've got a pretty nice user experience here, being able to very easily organize your files and see files within folders.